How's it going? Today I'm going to tell you guys how you can add your Google tag to your GoDaddy website. So there are a few types of things. If your tag starts with AW, then at first what you need to do is go to the GoDaddy product page, go to the websites plus marketing, and then click on manage. And then go to commerce and then click on ways to sell and then click on marketplaces and social. And then next to your Google channel, you're going to click on add sales channel. Then you're going to connect your Google account and then select complete setup, review everything, and you also need to select create a Google Merchant Center account and follow the list. If you have a tag that starts with G minus or G hyphen, what you need to do is make sure you have your Google Analytics measurement ID or tracking ID. And then the process is basically the same. You go to the product page, websites plus marketing, then click on manage, click on edit website, click on settings. And then when it comes to analytics and tracking, you want to click on Google Analytics and then you want to enter your ID. Finally, click on publish and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this and I'll see you guys in the next one.